How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So you've just downloaded ExpressVPN, and maybe you're very new to VPNs and you're not exactly sure what's going on here. Well, I'm here to tell you that it's actually quite a bit straightforward. As you can tell, there's an on and off button, and well, that's almost everything you need to know, except that you do have a list of locations, a speed tester, and some options here, which are very simple to understand. But before I get into them, if you guys are interested in learning more about the privacy policy, speed streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features, or if you'd like to go straight to links to pricing and discounts, you'll find everything you need in the description down below. So as you can tell, we have the smart location right here, which is what ExpressVPN thinks is the best for me. Of course, you have some recent locations and you have the on and off button, which you can just turn on and off. And it's as simple as that with regards to operating the VPN itself. I just want to explain to you guys a little bit. First of all, you have the list of locations with over 3,000 servers in 94 countries. You have some recommended locations. You can set some favorites right here. You can go to all locations and they're all categorized by continent. And again, you have 94 countries, which is just a very large amount. A lot of diversity. And again, you can just favorite any specific location that you want. Let's say you want Paris 1. You go back to the favorites, you have a favorites list right here, or you can just cancel it out. So if you want to go to a speed tester right here to figure out which is the best for you without having to manually test them, again, you can also test all kinds of servers so that you can know which one is the best in terms of download speed and latency. All right, and finally, in the options menu right here, all you need to worry about is the kill switch. Of course, you have some startup options, it's all up to preference. But what you want to know about the two main security features is the kill switch to stop your internet connection if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly. This will make sure that you're only going to be connected to the internet while you're secured by the VPN connection. Otherwise, it'll just disconnect your internet traffic. And split tunneling will allow you to choose which applications are routed through the VPN and which are not. So let's say you just want your torrenting client to use the VPN while the rest of your connection is left outside the VPN tunnel. You can do that, or vice versa. It's a very useful feature. You have a handful of protocols. Lightweight UDP will be the fastest one, or you can just set it on automatic and never have to worry about this section, the protocol section, ever again. You have some shortcuts that you can set, browser extensions, and in advanced, I recommend not taking everything off right here unless you want to opt out of sharing crashing reports. But these reports never contain personally identifiable information anyways, so no worries at all. And again, with these shortcuts right here, let's say you want to unblock the American Netflix library or Hulu. You want to connect to an American location. So when I turn it on right here, these shortcuts that I've set will show up at the bottom right here. And it's as simple as that. Now that you understand how ExpressVPN works, of course, it is compatible with all kinds of devices and you can secure up to 5 devices per subscription. It's as simple as that. But if you guys, again, want to learn a little bit more about ExpressVPN, you'll find the full review down below. You'll find links to pricing and discounts if you're interested. Either way, if you get ExpressVPN and for whatever reason you're not satisfied, you can simply get yourself the refund thanks to the 30-day money-back guarantee. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.